dark trunks, rough timber, all to the sound of woodland birds, a native cherry, acacia. It's all here. I've only just discovered this place. I'll definitely be back. And no wonder there's wrens and wagtails, all sorts of little birds here. They love these small shrubs. That's why we don't get many small birds anymore in the suburbs of Australia, because people plant large, showy, flowering natives that attract all the large, aggressive birds like the wattlebirds and noisy miners. If you want to encourage more small birds and give them habitat, plant some more delicate native shrubs with smaller flowers. It'll do the trick. And keep your cats in an enclosure too.